flying it in extreme wind, guys. Extreme wind. You can see me right here. Look at that. It's barely. Put it here for now. Let's go ahead and do this right here because it's really cold. And then we're gonna go ahead and just do a quick shot. This extreme wind. So you can see the sand is blowing like crazy. And look at that thing. Woohoo! Alright. Okay. Look at that. Extremely windy, guys. Woo! And look at the gimbal, it's not even moving. Wow. So again, let's do a quick shot in extremist wind. We're gonna go ahead and see from here. Woo! I know Mavic Mini needs a firmware update, but you can see it's capturing me wherever I go. If I go this way, look at that, it's like active track. Woo! Alright, gonna go here, look at the we're gonna go ahead and do let's go ahead and do a quick circles here on extreme wind. Alright, I'm doing a quick shot. Very doing some quick shots here. You can see. And then we're gonna go and see. Look at that. Hopefully the footage is gonna look good. But the Mavic Mini is going. And we got it here. Got it. Alright, let's go ahead and do one more quick shot. I'll probably do a quick rocket. Quick rocket in extreme wind.
Alright guys, I just want to go ahead and show you guys the footage here. I couldn't believe what 250 gram less than, I would say. Look how smooth it is with 3-axis gimbal. I mean, I feel like I'm flying a big drone here. I mean, this is a game changer, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is an extreme wind. Look how smooth it is.